everybody here? Welcome to another edition of Say Any Vision. Today we're going to learn about a rooster and how God used it, and also about surprises. So here's Tim. Surprise! No, some of you have had surprises. First time you've been to school ever, and others have, school is different now, isn't it? Well, we're going to talk a little bit about surprises today, and we're going to welcome everybody first. But all right, here we go. All right, welcome to Riley. You know what? Riley has a birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riley. Happy birthday to you. And we've got Abby Dean. Welcome to Charlotte and Briley and JJ and Cooper. Welcome to Jude, Joshua, Madeline, Micah, Jackson, and Amiana. Well, let's say that you have to have some kind of a tablet or a Chromebook for your school, or maybe something else special that was bought for your school. And your mother says, "Oh, I know you're going to lose that tablet. You are so careless." And you say, "No, Mom, I'm not careless. I won't lose it." And you go to school, and everything's fine the first few days. And one day you're eating lunch, and you leave that tablet on the table, and you go away, and you come back later and say, "Oh, no, I've got to find it." But it's not there. And you go home with your head hanging low, and you first walk in the door. First thing your mom notices your empty arms, and she just looks at you, and you start crying and crying. Yeah, the surprise was that tablet was not there. Well, now let's listen to a Bible story about a surprise that somebody named Peter had. And today we're studying about our special animal is a rooster. And let's see what in the world is Apostle Peter and Jesus and a rooster have in common. So let's listen now to the story. What does the word deny mean? Like denying to your mother that you're careless? It means not admitting what the truth is. It was the last night of Jesus' life, and he was sharing his last meal with his disciples. Jesus knew he was soon going to sacrifice his life for his followers. He told his disciples that bad times were coming. Peter said to Jesus, "Lord, I'm ready to go with you both to prison and to death." Then Jesus said, "I tell you, Peter, the rooster will not crow this day until you deny 3 times that you know me." Later that night, Jesus was arrested by soldiers and religious leaders and taken to trial. All the disciples ran away, but Peter followed at a distance. After they arrived at the high priest's house, they sat down in the courtyard around a fire. With a light showing Peter's face, the servant girl looked closely at Peter and said,
"This man was with him,"
meaning Jesus. Peter denied it, saying, "I do not know him." A little later, someone else saw him and said, "You also are one of them." But Peter said, "I am not." After another hour, when it was nearly morning, a third person insisted, "Certainly this man was also with him, for he too is a Galilean." But Peter said, "Man, I don't know what you're talking about." At exactly that time, while Peter was still speaking, the rooster crowed. That was Peter's big surprise. Jesus then turned and looked straight at Peter. And Peter remembered what Jesus had said earlier that night, "Before the rooster crows today, you will deny me
3 times. Peter then went out in the courtyard and cried and cried. Yes, sometimes even grown people cry. Peter was very sorry for not sticking up for Jesus. After his resurrection, Jesus forgave Peter and told him to go and do God's work. Peter became a great Christian leader and preacher.
I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. There'll be another one next week, and I hope you'll enjoy it too. So until then, bye. Have a good week.